I'm Andrew Ranger. I'm at Grow Heathrow, which is a protest site just north of Heathrow runways. It's kind of an experimental community into sustainability, non-hierarchical living, and protesting. So it's a non-hierarchical community. That means that we don't have an official leader. We organise collectively. We have processes we use to make decisions. We go through the process every week of what decisions we need to make this week for looking ahead for the future. And then everyone can input, everyone can have a say, everyone votes, and everyone has a veto. So if you really want to block a proposal, anyone can do it, and it doesn't happen. So that empowers the individual, and it creates the point is to encourage discussion and debate to go its full course until it eventually reaches a resolution. Obviously that's sometimes impossible, but it really empowers us as individuals to understand what we're dealing with. We can work our way through really complicated things by talking out until we understand it. Creates a really strong community that really trusts each other, that can work really efficiently. It enables us to live, because of the community it creates. It encourages sharing and giving and charity, encourages mutual aid, which allows everyone to be freer, because everything you need to live your life, the bare essentials you need, are given to you for free, and it empowers you, enables you to be stronger and to have more of an impact.
I'm a Hungarian activist. I've been living in London for over 7 years now, and I've been doing community activism for the past 5 years. I kind of started with the occupation of the financial district, Occupy London, but then with a couple of our friends we ended up in Barnet, in Fine Barnet, and we managed to reopen a closed down library. That's how I started working with communities.
I think a lot of stuff's already happening. I think over time science will advance, we'll get better and better at doing work, that will free up time, and we can use that time to have more discussion, more openness, and that will improve communities and repair damage and bring us together as people. If we can see that we're always making new innovations that make it easier for humans to live, and if we can direct those to the right places, society will get better. So I'd like to see that happen, rather than the alternative, which is just more money and power for a small class of elites. If we can get it to, if we can improve a lot of the people instead, then it's good.
Free shops are almost in every anarchist community or any squatty place. That's the place where you can call them swap shops sometimes as well, like people bring stuff and then take stuff. That's what happens pretty much. And London is an abundant place for very good quality things just lying around that activists and squatters and alternative people can pick up and bring somewhere. Again, you can build things from them, and from the clothes you can just clothe yourself. Well, we have a really good opportunity now with governments and corporations doing their best to create lots of resistance, because they've gone really, really far with their greed and psychopathic behavior. So once any community is hit by these things, that's your opportunity to go there and change. Like, you can offer your service to help, but also your vision to show what's achievable. And if that happens everywhere and it's connected into a worldwide network, then loosely, in a synchronized way, we can develop some kind of a mushroom-like structure, decentralized, autonomous structure of communities all around the world. But we have to get rid of our industry, first of all. So anything that we do in industrial measures, they always lead to destruction, and it just doesn't work. So decentralize all the power and see where we can go. It's one of the most important things, to have a clear vision of what you would like to achieve. Because other than that, you just keep running in circles and you keep repeating the same mistakes as you had before. Einstein said that you can never solve problems on the level that they were created on, and it's true. Like, and usually that's what most campaigns and movements lack, is the vision. So if you just sort out your visionaries and you've got hands to make it a reality, then you've got a project.